Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1987 Chevy Caprice. This one is a Hotwheels premium casting as you can see, and it's from Fast and Furious collection. Uh, I don't think I've seen this one before, and it looks really nice, especially in this paint job. So let's open it up and see how does it look. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So here it is out of the box, and I love the paint. This paint looks so nice. Obviously it's based on a Fast and Furious movie car, so follows that theme. Like the wheels too, they're very different from most of the premiums you get. Like they look good. Up front, again nicely detailed headlamps, grille, got the bumpers chrome. This windshield design where there's two parts going. I haven't seen a Caprice. I don't know which movie it's like, which Fast and Furious movie it's from, so I can't really say something about it, but it looks like they have tried to follow the actual design. And this looks like the hood pins, 4 hood pins here. Now coming to driver's side, it's a 4-door car, so got both the doors, door handles. The handles are detailed. It misses out on mirrors. I'm not sure if the actual car doesn't have one in the movie, but it does miss out here. So coming to the back now, same design follows from the windshield here, which makes it look like a split rear window. Again, nicely detailed tail lamps, chrome bumper. You can see a spoiler here. Sure. Yep, there it is. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical as the driver's side. So it's a premium, so it's obviously heavier. As you can see, it has got metal base, good rubber tires. I like the wheels, the rims here. They're very different from most of the Hot Wheels you see. So overall, it's a nice casting, but I'm not sure why it misses out on mirrors. But yeah, it's something different. I haven't seen the Caprice before in Hot Wheels. They might have launched it before, I'm not sure, but it looks good. Well, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching.